Hi, so for reading today, we are doing the reading of Over and Under story. So like in the past, I'm going to read the story and then we're going to answer the questions together. And then we're going to end the lesson off with a fun song about positional words and opposites. So let's get started. Make sure you're following along with your finger or a pencil. Over and under. John jumped over Bob. Bob was under John. Susan went left. Doris went right. John put his thumb up. Ricky put his thumb down. Karen turned the lights on. Casey turned them off. The toy was inside. When Julia turned the crank, it came outside. Snow is cold. Fire is hot. Opposites are fun. They're not boring, are they? So let's move on to our questions. Number 1. What word from the story is opposite of over? So we have left, right, over, and under. So we could take over away from our choices since we're looking for the opposite of it. So what do we think the opposite of over is? Is it left, right, or under? A, B, or D? The opposite of over is under. Number 2. What word from the story is the opposite of right? So let's take away the word right because we're looking for the opposite. So now our choices are up, down, or left. Let's think about our hands. Our hands, we have a right hand, and what's our other hand called? We have right and left. Very good. So what's the opposite of right? Up, down, or left? It is C, left. Number 3. What word from the story is the opposite of off? So let's take away the word off since we're looking for the opposite. So our choices we have left are A, left, B, right, or C, on. So the opposite of off. So if we turn something off, what's the opposite of it? We turn it back on. Very good. So which one says on? A, B, or C? C, on, is the opposite of off. Number 4. What word from the story is the opposite of hot? So we're going to cross hot off our choices. And what we have left is A, cold, C, over, or D, under. The opposite of hot. So if it's hot outside in the summer, what is it in the winter? Is it cold, over, or under? The opposite of hot is A, cold. And our last question, number 5. This story is mostly about what? A, same things, B, opposites, C, nothing, or D, cute stuff. So even if you just look in the previous question, it says what word from the story is the opposite of hot. So what's the story mostly about? Same things, opposites, nothing, or cute stuff? A, B, C, or D? The story is mostly about B, opposites. Very good. So we're going to listen to a song that sings about opposites and directions.
Children's songs, sing and move along. Children's songs, make your brain and body strong. Here we go, up, up, up. Here we go, down, down, down. go side to side to side. Here we go round and round and round. Here we go back, back, back. Here we go front, front, front. Here we go low, low, low. Here we go high, high, high. Here we go narrow, narrow, narrow. Here we go wide, wide, wide. Here we go in, in, in. Here we go out, out, out. Here we go up, up, up. Here we go down, down, down. Here we go side to side to side. Here we go round and round and round. Here we go back, back, back. Here we go front, front, front. Here we go low, low, low. Here we go high, high, high. Here we go narrow, narrow, narrow. Here we go wide, wide, wide. Here we go in, in, in. Here we go out, out, out. Here we go up, up, up. If you like this video,
So that is the end of our reading lesson today. I hope you enjoyed it.